Greetings, fellow Earthlings. Welcome to the Culinary Recipe Creations channel and subscribe to a world where the future is now and enjoy this video tutorial. See how our favorite foods are evolving at an unprecedented pace. Bill Nye here, your science guy, and today I'm thrilled to take you on a journey through the fascinating advancements in food delivery technology, ready to serve up some exciting insights into the future of food delivery, where innovation meets convenience in the most delightful ways. Hold on to your hats because the way we get our meals is undergoing a radical transformation. Imagine a world where waiting for your food is a thing of the past. Gone are the days of waiting impatiently for a delivery driver stuck in traffic. No more cold pizzas or soggy fries because of unforeseen delays. We are entering a new era where robots and drones are taking over the streets and skies, promising faster, more efficient, and dare I say, more delicious deliveries. These autonomous delivery systems are designed to navigate through urban landscapes with ease, ensuring your food arrives hot and fresh. Imagine this. You're craving a steaming hot pizza after a long day of scientific discoveries. Your stomach growls and you can almost taste the melted cheese and savory toppings. Instead of dialing up the local pizzeria, you open an app and order your feast with a few taps on your smartphone. The app is intuitive, offering a seamless experience from selection to payment. Minutes later, a friendly robot rolls up to your doorstep, its belly full of pizza goodness. These robots are equipped with advanced navigation systems and temperature-controlled compartments to keep your food at the perfect temperature. Or perhaps you're miles away from civilization, conducting research in a remote wilderness. Fear not, hungry scientist. The future of food delivery has you covered, no matter where you are. A drone swoops down from the sky, delivering your sustenance with pinpoint accuracy. These drones are designed to handle various terrains and weather conditions, ensuring that your meal reaches you no matter how far off the beaten path you are. The future of food delivery is not just about convenience, it's about breaking barriers and making sure that everyone, everywhere can enjoy a hot meal whenever they want. And it doesn't stop there. The kitchens of tomorrow are becoming smarter too. Imagine appliances that can communicate with delivery systems, ensuring that your order is prepared and dispatched at the optimal time for freshness. Families and friends can gather around the table, enjoying meals that are not only delicious but also delivered with the utmost efficiency. The future of food delivery is here, and it's transforming the way we eat one bite at a time. So next time you're hungry, remember that the future is just a tap away. Embrace the new age of pizza delivery and savor the convenience and innovation that comes with it. This is Bill Nye, signing off with a hearty appetite for the future. Now let's talk about convenience. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. We are constantly looking for ways to make our lives easier and more efficient, and that's where these innovative delivery robots and drones come into play. These robots and drones are not just cool gadgets, they offer real benefits. Imagine a world where you don't have to leave your home to get what you need. Whether it's groceries, takeout, or even a last-minute gift, these automated delivery systems have got you covered. These automated delivery systems are like having a personal assistant for your cravings. They work tirelessly, rain or shine, to ensure that you get what you need, when you need it. No more waiting in long lines or dealing with traffic. Just place your order and let the robots do the rest. They eliminate the need to interact with human delivery drivers, which can be a blessing for introverts or those short on time. For those who prefer minimal human interaction, these robots provide a seamless and contactless delivery experience. Plus, they are always on time, never get lost, and don't require tips. Need a late-night snack? No problem. Robot delivery doesn't judge. Whether it's a midnight craving for ice cream or an early morning need for coffee, these robots are available 24/7. They don't sleep, so you can rest easy knowing that your late-night munchies are just a few clicks away. Plus, with real-time tracking on your phone, you can monitor your food's journey from the restaurant to your door. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience and peace of mind. You can see exactly where your order is and how long it will take to arrive, making it easier to plan your day. It's like watching a tiny, delicious parade making its way to you. The anticipation builds as you watch the progress of your delivery, and the excitement peaks when it finally arrives. It's a fun and engaging experience that adds a bit of joy to your day. But convenience goes beyond just placing the order. These robots and drones are designed to make the entire delivery process as smooth and hassle-free as possible. From the moment you place your order to the moment it arrives at your door, every step is optimized for your convenience. Imagine never having to worry about tipping again. With robot deliveries, there's no need to calculate tips or worry about carrying cash. The entire transaction is handled electronically, making it quick and easy, plus the robots are perfectly content with a simple thank you. Robots are perfectly content with a simple thank you and maybe a pat on their shiny heads, though I wouldn't recommend getting too handsy. They are designed to be friendly and approachable, adding a touch of personality to your delivery experience. Plus, they can navigate tight spaces and crowded areas with ease, ensuring your food arrives at your doorstep, not down the street. These robots are equipped with advanced navigation systems that allow them to maneuver through busy streets and crowded sidewalks, ensuring a smooth and efficient delivery. It's like having a miniature delivery ninja at your beck and call. These robots and drones are the future of delivery, offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency. So next time you're hungry or need something delivered, consider letting a robot handle it. You might just be surprised at how easy and enjoyable the experience can be. Speaking of ninja-like skills, let's delve into the efficiency of robot and drone delivery. These modern marvels are transforming the way we receive our goods, making the process faster, more reliable, and incredibly efficient. Time is precious, my friends, and these automated systems are designed to make the most of it. Imagine a world where your food arrives hot and fresh just minutes after you place an order. That's the promise of robot and drone delivery. Unlike human drivers, robots don't get stuck in traffic jams or take long lunch breaks. They operate tirelessly, navigating through the urban jungle with precision and speed. This means fewer delays and more reliable delivery times. They follow the most efficient routes, zipping around obstacles and delivering your food with impressive speed. Whether it's a drone flying over buildings or a robot weaving through crowded streets, these machines are built to get the job done quickly. This means you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your meal. Imagine the convenience of having your favorite dish delivered right to your doorstep without the usual wait times. But it's not just about speed, it's also about cost effectiveness. These robots and drones are designed to be economical, reducing the overall cost of delivery services. Think about it. Robots don't need salaries, health insurance, or vacation time. They work around the clock without the need for breaks or benefits, which significantly cuts down on operational costs. They run on electricity, which is far cheaper than gasoline. This not only makes them more environmentally friendly, but also reduces the cost of each delivery. This means lower delivery fees for you and me, making those late-night cravings a little easier on the wallet. With reduced operational costs, businesses can pass on the savings to customers. It's a win-win situation. Businesses save money on labor costs, and we get our food delivered faster and cheaper. The future of delivery is here, and it's more efficient than ever. Now, you might be wondering, how do these robots navigate the chaotic concrete jungles we call cities? Well, it's a fascinating blend of cutting-edge technology and good old-fashioned ingenuity. These delivery bots are equipped with an arsenal of sensors, cameras, and GPS systems, allowing them to perceive their surroundings with impressive accuracy. They can identify obstacles like pedestrians, cars, and even rogue squirrels, making split-second decisions to avoid collisions and stay on track. Think of it like this. Imagine a Roomba vacuum cleaner, but instead of cleaning your floors, it's delivering your favorite burrito. These robots use similar mapping and navigation technologies to create detailed maps of their surroundings. They learn the best routes, identify shortcuts, and even adapt to changes in their environment, like construction zones or unexpected detours. It's like having a tiny self-driving car dedicated to satisfying your hunger. Of course, no system is perfect, and delivery robots do face their fair share of challenges. Stairs, curbs, and uneven sidewalks can pose obstacles for these wheeled wonders. However, engineers are constantly working on innovative solutions, such as robots with advanced suspension systems, grippy wheels, and even the ability to climb stairs. Some robots are even designed to operate in different weather conditions, from scorching heat to pouring rain. But what about the unexpected? What happens if a robot encounters a curious dog or a playful child? Well, most delivery robots are equipped with safety features like obstacle avoidance systems and emergency stop buttons. They can also send out alerts if they encounter any problems, summoning human assistance if needed. It's like having a safety net for your safety net, ensuring your food arrives unharmed and on time.